Creative climate change. Creative nature trails. Walks and trails outdoors are great for connecting with nature and wildlife. There are lots of artistic ways you can add to a nature walk to make it more creative and make a stronger connection with nature. Using curiosity to explore nature. Taking pictures to make you look closer. And seeing what you missed. Recording sounds. And listening to the sound of your voice. Collecting natural objects. Making animations. Seeing what you can find.
No, you're right.
Making artworks and sculptures.
A bit. I think he's one set of takes and then
No, do you want to see my own arting?
Building a relationship with the natural world.